Now I remember that you was bought a night machines from me, but I forgot to tell you about maintenance schedule. So this video is for you. Um, every day when you use this machine, you must check up water lines, pressure gauge, wheel machine spindle. This is must this you must know speed for 5 minutes. Uh, you must clean chief filter. Every week you should inspect own filter. Um, and then you um, you should check coolant level, inspect oil grease, top up oil level, and inspect spindle bearings, inspect driver belt, chain oil, or inspection oil every 6 months. Um, you need to maintain the machines to make a machine work smoothly and safe. Thank you.